Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix Gmail. Sorry, something went wrong. There, try again. Error Windows. If you're seeing this Gmail error on your Windows computer, don't worry. In many cases, the issue is caused by a temporary browser problem, a weak internet connection, or stored browsing data that needs to be cleared. We'll walk through a simple process to help refresh things and get Gmail working again. To begin, open your browser and go to Google. This gives you a clean starting point and confirms that your browser is open and responding normally before you continue with Gmail-related troubleshooting. Next, check your internet connection. This is an important early step because Gmail depends on a stable connection to load properly. Make sure your internet is working as expected and that websites are opening normally. If the connection is slow or unstable, Gmail may show an error message even if nothing is wrong with your account. Once your internet is okay, move on to the next part. Now look to the top right corner of your browser window and click the three-dot menu. This opens your browser options where you can access the settings needed to clear potentially corrupted cached data. From that menu, click Settings. This will take you to the browser's main settings page where you can manage privacy-related options and remove old stored data that may be interfering with Gmail. In Settings, click on Privacy and Security. This section contains the tools used to control cookies, cache, and other browsing information. If Gmail is loading outdated session data, clearing it can often resolve this "sorry, something went wrong" error. Once you're in Privacy and Security, click Delete Browsing Data. This opens the panel where you can choose what type of stored browser data to remove. Clearing this data helps force Gmail to load fresh files the next time you open it. In the Time Range option, select All Time. This ensures the browser removes all relevant cached data, not just recent activity. If older files are causing the issue, choosing a shorter time range may not fully solve the problem. After that, click Delete to confirm. The browser will begin clearing the stored data. Depending on how much is built up over time, this may take a few moments, so give it time to finish completely. Once the deletion is done, you can return to Gmail and try again. In many cases, this refresh resolves the error and allows Gmail to open normally. If needed, make sure the